In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Conqueror Haki here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you need to do is make your way over to the teleporters around the map, interact with it, and make your way to Shibuya Station. So go ahead and teleport here. And once you're at Shibuya Station, go ahead and head over to where Sukuna actually spawns, or the Cursed King spawns. Land here, jump up on top of this building, and make your way all the way to the very back, just like so. Once you're here, you're going to see the Conqueror Haki trainer. Interact with her, just like so. But there's some few requirements that you have to complete first. For example, you need Ascension level 5, you need Armnet Haki level 40, Observation Haki level 25, and you're also going to need the Conquer Fragment, which drops from bosses or enemies. From here, you have to complete the quest in order. You need to kill 500 NPCs, dodge 500 attacks, defeat 200 bosses, and of course complete 25 dungeons. Once you finish that, it's going to unlock and activate automatically and just give you that boost. But that really is it. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.